Man, what's good? Follow me at DZac Morris. I'm about to hit this these hoes be acting up, man, with this bull crap hook on it. But man, y'all follow me, man. So I can show y'all what it look like a real artist, man, from right into spin from the heart, man, just doing it how it's supposed to be done. Shout out, man, Vanek, Vontae, man. Love y'all. In just a minute, this beat should pop up, but you know how. This is why I do this from here. Man, this, these hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. Yeah, and you lanes be letting up. Yo. Hey, why the hell would you let your man come out the house just wearing that? She acting like she don't want to dick, but 2 hours later I'm wearing that. Out like a coat, she rock my boat. She looking like, dang, can I take your boat? I cast my boat yesterday, so you know me, dog. I dropped her toe, pay her that. Girlfriend, yeah, she say her fat ass can't get up on my dick, but I just say that you'll lie that. Back that you just say I can't. Girlfriend really wants that man that got money like pots and pans, but I can't even shop with fam. Yeah, you know he gave shit and looking like you won't play the dick, but I be like, yeah, raise your chick. She looking like she's a razor chick. That means she got the bumps and got the humps, not like a can when you smoking mumps. Your girlfriend, she wanna come over, but it's that time of the month. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up, and you don't be letting up. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. Hey God. Ha ha. And me, I don't be sweating up. Yo, man, Harvey Hood, man, hush mouth gang. I saw this girl just the other day. She told me that she thinking gay because the dude she had the other day try to lick her ass. She don't go that way. I'm like, ew, that's kind of nasty. Your breath smells. So when you ask me, can you cover your mouth and do it like this? Can you ask me some questions? Do that. Your girlfriend blew that. She acting like she ain't really knew that. Ain't shake, she ain't get that clue back. Say she dash, she got that ass. She skipped her class, but still she passed. Cause her and the teacher know this ass. Because after all the class, she gives them head and then smacks her ass. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. Y'all niggas be whacking up. And I really wanna smack it up. And I ain't chillin' go about the girl, cause you know she be acting up. The chorus star gets coming in, your girlfriend, I'm racking up. These niggas be, what? Yo, that's my nigga, you know what I'm saying? These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. These niggas be letting up. Y'all ain't nigga, just let them trick. You look at me like, who is this? I don't know, but your girl's a trick. She look at me like, yes, this nigga that be paying bills. I like the big, but I'll never squeal. I look at you like, yes, you will. She saying, man, you ain't got a deal. Nah, girl, but that's okay. Your girlfriend like old lady. She really wanna say no, yay, but she smokes like every day. Shout out to Chief Keef. Your girlfriend would've smoked me, but I'm cloud 9 and she cloud 7, so we can meet till next week. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. These hoes be acting up. And these niggas be